How to create a YouTube thumbnail in MS Paint. If you are using MS Paint and if you want to create YouTube thumbnail, then this is the right video for you. So why we should to use MS Paint to create YouTube thumbnail? Because it will not use too much RAM and it is too much lightweight software, so that's why we can use MS Paint to create YouTube thumbnail. So without any late, let's begin. So for this one, you have to open your video first of all. So I am just opening this one. So after that, you can choose your preferred frame and you have to take the screenshot of your video. Okay, so I am just taking the screenshot by pressing Windows key S, Shift plus S. So now you can see here I am just taking the screenshot by pressing Windows key Shift plus S. After taking the screenshot, just you have to open MS Paint. Windows key plus R, then MS Paint. After that, you have to paste your screenshot here by pressing Ctrl plus B, and you have to click in the crop. After that, you have to click in the resize and you have to click in the pixels, and you have to untick the maintain aspect ratio, otherwise it will not work. After that, you have to change the width in 1920 and the vertical side it should be 1080. Otherwise you can use the 1080 into 720 also, but I prefer to use 1920 by 1080. Then after that you have to click in the OK. After that, if you want to add some text or shapes, just you have to use various types of the shapes from here. Otherwise, if you want to add the text, just you have to click here in the text tool and just you have to drag like this and you can type like this. So I'm just using new road and I'm just changing the color also. Okay, yeah, in this way, and I'm just changing the font color also. So I'm using the another font. Okay, so I think there should be a Gotham font, but I think I should use the Gotham Ultra. Yeah, in this way. Okay, so after that you have to click in the file and just click in the save it, and you have to click in the JPG or you can choose the PNG, but I am just using the JPG picture. And after that you have to choose your folder and you have to give a name and you have to click in the save. So in this way you can create an attractive YouTube thumbnail inside MS Paint. Hoping that you get few ideas. Thank you so much.